Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn how to hide Excel sheets by two ways. There are two different ways. Today we will learn to hide Excel sheets. When we work on Excel, we create different sheets and by sending to different persons and we want to share this file to another person, but we want no one can see the other sheets. So we have two ways. First way is to hide our sheets, respective sheets, or second way is to delete the file, delete these sheets or make new file for sending to users. But when we hide this sheet, this is the good way to not to share these sheets with users. How to hide the sheets? We will learn here the two ways. For example, it is the secret. One sheet have secret formulas, secret codes, secret passwords, or anything that you don't want to that you want no one can see this. So you can just right click and click on hide button. Now you see the sheet is hide, but anyone can unhide it, unhide this sheet. Just click on unhide button. The add secret. Okay. Now this sheet again comes by hiding and unhiding. If I want to hide this sheet, I just select hide, and if I want to unhide that secret sheet, I just click on any sheet and click on unhide and select secret sheet. This comes against. If it is possible that this secret sheet is not showing and not unhide option is comes for recalling the unhide the secret sheet, the file, the sheet name is secret. The another way is hiding Excel sheet is hide sheet through Visual Basic. How to do it? Just click on developer option, click on Visual Basic and select the sheet that you want to hide. Click on secret. This is the sheet I want to hide, and in visible option select Excel sheet very hidden. Number 2, Excel sheet very hidden. Okay. Click on secret and Excel sheet very hidden. It is selected and I save the file and click OK. When I close this, now when I click on unhide, the secret sheet option is not showing. Click on OK, and if I want to unhide that sheet again, secret sheet, I click on Visual Basic and this is my secret sheet. I click on it and Excel sheet visible, and I want to unhide my hide sheet as well. I click on visible, and when I save it, I press OK and close the sheet. Now you see again these sheets are showing. Again do it, click on developer and click on Visual Basic. Whatever sheet I want to hide, I select secret sheet and click on Excel sheet very hidden and save it. Click OK. Now you see the secret sheet is not showing here. Even I click on unhide, this secret sheet is still not available showing here. Therefore no one can see your hidden sheet. Click cancel, and if you want to unhide that secret sheet, click on again Visual Basic, click on this secret sheet and visible option, select Excel sheet visible and save it. Press OK. Now you see that secret sheet is showing. And how you get developer option enable, just click on it and customize ribbon. Here you see developer option. Maybe it is disabled in your computer if developer option is not showing. If it is disabled or untick, you just tick it, this tick it and click OK. Then developer option will show. Hopefully you understand this video. If you have any questions, you may freely discuss. If you like this video, you may share with your friends and colleagues and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.